Isn't it cool, Papa?
Yeah, it was so cool. You see?
Happy
So, the new double-sided tape that I got, I'm gonna use and put those back up because the whole dropping a night, let me think, set up in my house is not a good look. So I'm gonna. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I haven't recorded in days. I haven't really been doing anything. I've been trying to get back in the gym because we missed 2 weeks off. I missed 2 weeks off of the gym. Babe missed a lot longer. But I've been in pain, darling. So I want to film my leg day routine, but I don't feel like I'm there yet. So probably next week sometime or this weekend I will go early to the gym and film my leg day routine, because the last time I update you guys, my leg day routine is totally different, okay? And the booty is hitting, if I do say so myself. The body is bodying, okay? Even with my 2 weeks off. But I shot the Sephora VIB sale this morning. I also got this TNG Rose Water Curl Refresher for my hair. When my hair are in twists, they tend to get dry and scrunched up and just sit weird, bent up. So I got this to spray on my hair. I have a lot of the TNG products right now because I'm using them also in Milani's hair, so this can also be used in her hair. But here is my Sephora bag, darling. I'm gonna get out this damn I'm gonna get out this bathroom. I'm tired of seeing myself in the bathroom. Okay, sorry, I'm tired of it. I'm sure you guys are too. Let's see what I spent. I need to scan this receipt. I spent $110 and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 items. Forgot that I got my weight in here. So I got the Laneige set. This is how it looks. So it's $21. It has a $26. I have the Laneige lip glowy balm. I have another, and this is in fruit. This is in berry. I have another one. I think it's in peach. And I also have the lip sleeping mask. This is in mango. So I got that on the Sephora sale. I was in need of moisturizers, so I watch Aaliyah's face a lot, and she did a video with the Belief cream, and her skin looked like glass skin, darling. So I got the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm, and I got the Belief True Cream Aqua Balm. So the Belief Moisturizing Balm is clinically proven to retain moisture for up to 26 hours. And it says the Aqua Balm increase hydration to 70%. And I got the small size. I think these were $22. These are 25 fluid ounce, 25 millimeters and 0.8 fluid ounce. I got the small one because I test out a lot of stuff in Sephora before and get the small ones before excuse me, before I go in and spend on larger products that I probably don't like. So I always get smaller ones. And then I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Glossy Posse Volume 3, and this comes with Gloss Bomb Heat. It comes with the Universal Lip Luminizer Plumper. This is how it looks right here. So it comes with the Gloss Bomb Heat in Fenty Glow, Gloss Bomb Cream in Cupcakein, Gloss Bomb in Fuchsia Flex. I don't have any of these colors, which is why I think I have the cream one, but I don't have it in Cupcake. Anyways, that's what I got. And then I got 2 Sephora blushes. So I got 02 Peach Blossom. I also wanted another one, but they didn't have it in stock. And I also got Tiger Lily 06. So I was looking for a matte pink blush, because if you guys haven't noticed, I've definitely been getting into blush a lot. I love me a good blush. I was never a blush girl. I used to be like a heavy bronzer girl, but now I'm a blush girl. I think I want 2 other things from the Sephora sale. Excuse me. So I want the Rare Beauty blush set that has 3 in it, and I also want the House Labs foundation, but I don't know my shade. And the Sephora that's close to me is inside of a Kohl's, and they don't have the House Lab foundation, and I don't want to buy it. I have to send it back and then get a new shade, all of that. But those are the other 2 things that I'm probably gonna pick up before the Sephora sale is ended. Before the Sephora sale is done, I'm gonna show you guys what these look like. So I was looking for a pink blush, and this is how it looks, the one that I got. I love that it's a duo, so you can make it, you have a darker one and a lighter one, and it wasn't chalky or powdery when I tried it in store, which is why I picked it up. And then this is how this one looks. So that's what I got from the Sephora sale. You guys are probably gonna see me tomorrow when I'm shooting content, but until then, I'll see you guys. I have schoolwork to go do. So yeah.
Mommy.
So the last time you guys saw me, I was supposed to go shoot some content. That absolutely did not happen.
Not happy.
So
Ta-da!
I'm going to Walmart. I need to get Kai a school bag, so when he goes out, he can have something to wear. I also need a water floss. I honestly hate using regular dental floss, so I'm gonna get a water floss. I bought one before, if you've seen on my a few weeks ago on my vlog, but that water floss was not working, so I'm gonna pick one up from, I got it from Amazon, it didn't work, so I'm gonna pick one up from Walmart. Fragrance of the day, Woody Fraser by Glossier.
Wow, show me ants. Show me ants.
And then I'm gonna mix Vanilla Moss by Cody.
The ants. Ants, my ants.
So let's go. So hi, I'm home. Babe came home, he poured me a glass of champagne. And we're chilling. Just came back, so excuse up here. Up here is a bit cluttered. Yes, babe.
1 hour of cardio
Yeah.
will burn less fat than 5 minutes in a dead cold water.
Oh wow, I never know that. Got that from Walmart. This from the dollar store. When I tell you, excuse my flowers, they're dying. Dollar store stepped their cookies up. They did. Wait, this is my little hideaway cupboard. So look at this ornament. Let's see, it's spinning. It's giving. It's giving. I'm not gonna show you guys everything because I want y'all to watch the Christmas decor video. It goes perfectly with the stuff that I got from Home Goods. And I went in there for fake flowers really, and I didn't find any fake flowers, but the ornaments, giving. So I went to the dollar store to pick up some stuff so me and the kids can do some Christmas DIY while we're stuck in this house. But I have a few updates for you guys since my stuff came in the mail. So this is up, and it's been up for a whole week now. Your girl finally found something to keep it up. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. Okay, and baby, it's staying up there. They claim it's not for textured walls, but it's heavy duty. So I got this Wotech heavy duty double-sided tape. They claim it's not for textured wall, but baby, it held that damn thing up for a whole week now, and I've been putting stuff on top of it, making it heavier, and it has stayed the same. Your girl is happy. Let me turn on this light in here, it's kind of dark. Your girl is real happy. And I also bought these from Amazon. They were super cheap. I think I paid $7 or $6 for these, but these things keep falling the hell down. So the new double-sided tape that I got, I'm gonna use and put those back up, because the whole dropping a night, let me think, set up in my house is not a good look. So I'm back. So here is what we're going to do. These are the lights. I don't recommend these lights. I'll definitely put some different ones in the description box that have better ratings and review, but these ones are not it. I got them because of the color, and I thought they would blend perfectly with the wood. And this is the double-sided tape that I got. It's amazing. So I was looking the tape up, and I see people hang stuff from their walls with it, do all type of stuff. This double-sided tape is super duper good. So that's what we're going to be using. The adhesive that came with these, this is the back, and it came with a sticky adhesive. Every single night these things would fall off, and I would think that like there's duppy in the house or somebody's trying to break in, because these things would fall off the cabinets. But anyways, that's what we're doing. Let me stick y'all on this tripod.
Some shit, man, but I be on my shit, man. I decided that what you give is what you're giving, so I've been trying to do it right. I've been doing like whatever gets me through the night. What a life. I'm steady, always on the go. You steady, always on the go. We steady losing all control. Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long.
So that little DIY is done. I actually need to get a battery charger from Amazon or Walmart, whichever one, because those use batteries, and Kai toys, a lot of them use batteries, so I need to get a charger. So I'm glad that's done and out of the way. So here is going to be our little DIY station. Everything is from the dollar store. So I got some pearls, I got these ornaments, I got these bows, and these are foam decorations, and I got some clear color glue. I was actually looking for just white clear glue, but I couldn't find any. I only find green. So I have to do, I bought some floating candles. I also got this. I got two glass jars. I got this from the dollar store, and I got some fake fox, no, So that will be our DIY devastation. When the kids wake up, they'll have something fun to do. I'm going to go take a shower and chill, watch something. I'm about to go shower. I'll see y'all when the kids wake up and we're doing this DIY.
This, and you know what? This is how you do it. But Melania's is, I don't like Melania's, but I like mine's. Going in the first time in the green one. But later it's going to be...
Isn't it cool, Papa?
Yeah, it was so cool, you see?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
No, not that birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
So we're going to see a movie today, Black Panther. Oh, hi guys, I just got back from seeing Black Panther. It was an amazing movie. I would suggest everybody to go watch it. We had a really good time. Ignore Kai. Kai's crying for what? I have no idea. He's always crying for something now. So I'm gonna keep it short and spicy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.